Hi Year 3s, welcome to week 2 of spelling. This week we are learning about the trigraph, A-R-E, making the sound air as in square. So we've learnt about graphs, which are one letter that makes one sound. We've learnt about digraphs, which are two letters that make one sound. Today we are learning about trigraphs, which are three letters that make one sound. Can you do that with me, please? 3 letters, 1 sound. Beautiful. Our first word today is square. A square is an object with 4 corners and all of the sides are equal in length. The sounds in the word square are sk, air. There are 4 sounds in the word square. The letters in the word square are S, Q, U, A, R, E. If you had to remember how to spell that word, what might the tricky part be? Perhaps it is our trigraph, A-R-E, making the sound air. Can you spell that back to me the same way I spelt it to you? I'll say it again so you can remember how it sounds. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Your turn. Fantastic. Our second word today is care. When you care about something, it means that you are very careful with it, you really like it, and you want to make sure that it is okay or they are okay if you care about a person. The sounds in the word care are k, air. There are 2 sounds in the word care. The letters in the word care are C-A-R-E. If you had to spell the word care, what might the tricky part be to remember? Perhaps it is our trigraph, A-R-E, making the sound air. Can you spell the word care back to me the same way I said it to you? I'll say it again so you can remember how it sounds. C-A-R-E. Your turn. Brilliant. Our next word today is rare. If something is rare, it means that there's not very many of it and it's really hard to find. The sounds in the word rare are air. Air. There are 2 sounds. The letters in the word rare are R-A-R-E. If you have to remember how to spell this word, what might the tricky part be to remember? Perhaps it is this trigraph, A-R-E, making the sound air. Can you please spell the word rare to me the same way I spelt it to you? I'll say it again so you can remember how it sounds. R-A-R-E. Your turn. Awesome! Our next word is the word bare. Now, bare means something that is not covered. For example, I now have a bare forearm because it's not covered and you can see it. This is different from the word bear, meaning like an animal bear, and that is spelled differently. So we are talking about a bare arm, as an example. The sounds in the word bear are b, air. There are 2 sounds in the word bear. The letters in the word bear are B-A-R-E. What might the tricky part be to remember if you were trying to spell this word? Perhaps it is this trigraph, A-R-E, making the sound air. Can you please spell the word bear to me the same way I spelt it to you? I'll say it again so you can remember how it sounds. B-A-R-E. Your turn. Awesome. Our next word is dare. Dare means to have a lot of courage. For example, I dared to walk in the dark forest. The sounds in the word dare are d, air. There are 2 sounds in the word dare. The letters in the word dare are D-A-R-E. If you had to remember how to spell this word, what might the tricky part be to remember? Perhaps it is our trigraph, A-R-E, making the sound air. Can you please spell the word dare back to me the same way I said it to you? I'll say it again so you can remember how it sounds. D-A-R-E. Your turn. Awesome. And our final word for today is share. When you share something with someone, you are taking turns, you are being equal, and you're really being kind. The sounds in the word share are sh, air. There are two sounds in the word share. The letters in the word share are S-H-A-R-E. What might the tricky part be to remember if you were to spell this word? Perhaps it is our trigraph, A-R-E, making the sound air. Can you please spell the word share to me the same way I said it to you? I'll say it once more so you can remember how it sounds. S-H-A-R-E. Your turn. Brilliant job today, Year 3s. I'm so proud of how you guys are going with your homeschooling and giving it your best effort. Have a brilliant day. There'll be some spelling activities on Seesaw for you. Bye.